Everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to recalibrate your thumbsticks on your Nintendo Switch so you can prevent stick drift or something happening with those. So this is easy. On the home screen here, let's go down to System Settings, select it, scroll on down until we get to Controllers and Sensors, and go to the right. Scroll on down under this menu, and we can see Calibrate Control Sticks. Select A on this. Now it says tilt the stick you want to calibrate. So typically when you have stick drift, it's going to be on your right side. So I'm going to tilt my right thumbstick to the right. All right. Then press A to calibrate a different controller. All right. So I'm just tilting it and it brought me to this screen. And if you have stick drift, it might look a little bit like this. It's not going to be a plus icon. Check the following. Plus is shown instead of the circle. Okay. And turn the stick and check the circle for color changes. So it looks like I'm able to go around to the outside of this circle and everything's working well. So I'm going to go back to my other stick, my blue side now, and tilt my thumbstick. And I'm going to check this one too. It looks like I'm able to go around the outside of the circle and there's a plus icon in the middle. So everything's working well. I'm just going to press X to recalibrate it regardless. All right, recalibrate only if there is a problem. So there's no problem for me, but I'm still going to go through this process to show you. Go to calibrate. It says move the stick towards the triangle. Okay. And release when the color of the triangle changes. So go ahead and release. So I can see it's different color now. Go ahead and release for this side and release. Up, release. Now we want to turn it just like this. Rotate the large circle 2 to 3 times. Calibration complete. So let's see if everything's working still, and it does appear so. So it's very easy to go ahead and recalibrate your thumbsticks if there is an issue. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.